here to share my personal thoughts and experiences on my investments in the stock market. If you are curious about how I got to where I am, I have a blog covering my background, how I grew up through my teenage and 20s in regards to money. Links to my blog and social media accounts are in the description box below. This is the first video of a series I will call Stock Thoughts, covering each stock I own. I currently own 13 different stocks and 2 different cryptocurrencies. I'll be making a video on each one, going through the stock's chart, its profile provided by Webull, my thoughts and opinions on the company, and why I decided to buy the stock. I will also provide references in the description box below so you can check it out yourself. If you'd like me to cover a specific stock, please let me know in the comments below. Today, I'll be covering ALGM, Allegro MicroSystem Incorporated. So here is the chart for ALGM. I'm not an expert at reading the chart, but I do feel I have a general understanding on how to read it for what I want to know about it and the big picture of the stock's performance. There are plenty of videos that explain in detail on how to read these charts. First, looking at the chart from the end of November to today. This is how long I have been investing in the stock market. My position here is 54 at 29.865, meaning I have 54 stocks at a cost average of $29.86 and a half. Over approximately the 5 months that I have been investing, this stock has increased very slightly. Looking over the life of the stock from October 29, 2020 to today, as of recording, there's been a slight increase from, let's see here, 1770 on closing on the first day. You can see here at the top, I don't know if I can't do that, yeah. So on the top left there are 4, I guess, categories, O, H, L, and C. I have to look into it again, but I think O means opening, H is high, L is low, and C is closing. So 1770, it closed on that day, and then till today, April 20, closing at $25. So this is about a 41% increase in value over its lifetime. So next, we go over the profile. This is what Webull has provided. I'll just go through it real quick. Allegro MicroSystem Incorporated is a designer, developer, fabless manufacturer and marketer of sensor integrated circuits, ICs, and application-specific analog power ICs enabling the technologies in the automotive and industrial markets. The company's magnetic sensor ICs enable its customers to measure motion, speed, position, and current, while its power ICs include high temperature and high voltage capable motor driver, power management, and light emitting diode LED driver ICs. The company's photonics portfolio provides eye-safe distance measurement and three-dimensional imaging solutions. You can read more on the news, financials, and other information on Webull's site, link in the description below. So, I haven't heard much about this company until I saw it while browsing through Webull. I was looking through the companies that were in the technology industry, specifically computer parts. Also, their website does look appealing with the kind of products they provide, including clean energy. If you're interested in computer chips and clean energy or clean renewable energy, maybe consider looking more into the company and the products and services they provide. And with that said, I do have 54 stocks of ALGM. Let me go here. So let me show you ALGM. Although this company doesn't pay a dividend, something I look for in my current strategy and my investments, I thought it did look appealing. My current strategy is to generate passive income through dividends, and so Obviously, look for companies that pay off a good dividend, but this company does not. Um, the first time I bought some was on December 31st, about 5 stocks at 27, 24 each. This is my initial investment, not knowing too much of this company, but a quick research on their products um, got my interest. This is also newly added to the stock market, so I thought it might be a good idea to buy some while it's still new and cheap. I then bought two more on uh, January 8th and the 21st. Mainly this was because I had some cash left over at my account and just wanted to use as much as possible so that my money's working rather than just idling. Then later bought 23 more in February at $29.99 each, and then 11 more the next day. I bought more because I felt it would be worth buying more while it was still relatively new. Then later, on February 16th, I bought 10 more, 2 more on March 18th, and 1 more on April 9th. Again, I wanted more to invest in ALGM, and the little amounts were to use up the rest of my leftover cash I had at the time. So as of today, my P&L, profits and loss, for ALGM is minus $262.71, shown here. It may seem like a good chunk of money lost, but technically not a loss until I sell my stocks. The value of the stocks have fallen, but as I am investing for the long term, I will hold on to these stocks and possibly buy more while the price is low. I'm hoping the value will rise and expect it to rise over the coming years, as generally most companies with good fundamentals do grow. And so, with that, that concludes my details on ALGM. The next video I'll be covering is AMT, American Tower. Just a quick preview, it operates as a REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, and REITs have a unique condition when it comes to paying dividends to its shareholders. I'll provide links in the description box below if you'd like to check them out ahead of time. Also, if you are interested, I am using the app Webull. You can follow my invite link if you want to start using it. So, I hope you enjoyed my content and hope to hear from you again in my next video. Thank you for your time.